special day, Women's Day, to feel empowered. We should we should feel empowered every single day, I think. And we are talking about giving equal rights to women. I think it will take more than providing equal rights to women. Like a woman can't carry 50 kg weight, which a guy can easily carry, right? We we have to use word feminist very frequently. People think that it is a curse word, but I think it will empower women. But when I say people that I am feminist, they think that I hate man and all that. But no, I don't hate man. I just want some equal rights, security, like man. And I think we should provide women equal education, financial security that will empower women to some extent. And maybe one day we'll feel empowered.
Because what I think actually is Women's Day is just another day like Valentine's Day or maybe Mother's, anything. And empowerment, I feel that we are getting confused with the term like we women need power or equality, as in women empowerment or equality. Because if we need equality, then nothing like talking about women empowerment and all. Because okay, well, you just have to walk around with guys and nothing to worry about empowerment and all. And because when we talk about empowerment, we talk about giving extra something to us, like maybe some extra seats in IIM or IIT, maybe something else.
So it's 8th of March again, right? International Women's Day. So what does it mean for you? Just another day in the calendar? Or do you really feel it's Women's Day? So to all the gentlemen, I would like to ask, what are you doing this Women's Day? Buying flowers, cakes, wishing her in the morning? Or do you want to do something different? Are you going to walk into your office, wish all the ladies Women's Day, and then smirk? Oh, ladies, you just have one day in the year, and we have the rest 365 days. Well, let's do something different this year. Rather than wishing and doing the cliched stereotypical things, go ahead and acknowledge her. Understand that she is a part of this journey. Maybe during the marriage fairas she was walking behind you, but in life she wants to walk beside you, along with you. Win, lose, get defeated, but with you. To all the ladies, I have a question. What do you want to do this Women's Day? Deck on a really fancy dress? Walk into a restaurant? Talk about women feminism? Or acknowledge your own self? Understand your ambitions and realize who you are. Let us not flutter eyelashes and nod our heads in a yes just to keep the man happy. Let us not underestimate our own selves. Let us take a stand this year. Start walking toward our goals, our ambitions, not for the husband, the parent, or not the kids, but for our own selves. This Women's Day, let's pledge that we do something so different that we don't need a single day in the entire year to celebrate femininity. Let's every day be Women's Day. Thank you.